Hi everyone, Miss Heather here. Hope you're having a great week. For this week, we're going to make two types of slime. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Some white glue, some Sta-Flo liquid starch, shaving cream, conditioner, or body lotion. So, for our first thing is we're going to use a half a cup measuring cup and measure out half a cup of white glue. Add it in your bowl. And now is also a time when you can add some food coloring. Pick out a color that you want. Yeah, pink is nice. You want to stir this around really well. This, I'm going to add a quarter cup of conditioner. I then stir that around. I have some pink and purple food coloring. I'm going to add that in, a drop or two of each. Next, you want to add in a half a cup of shaving cream. And if it's a little over, that's okay too. It'll just make it extra fluffy. So glue is a polymer, which means it's a long chain of repeating molecules. We want to get those to clump together to make our slime. So we need to use an activator. The Sta-Flo liquid starch, when added to the glue, will have all the glue molecules clump together and make slime. I'm going to add a quarter of a cup of liquid starch to the bowl and stir. It's better to start with less starch and add more than to have too much. As soon as I poured in the starch and began stirring, you can see it's now turned into slime. I found some little styrofoam balls that I'm going to add in to give our slime a cool texture. Once the slime is at a good consistency where it's one giant ball, then you have to start kneading it. So you can take it out of the bowl and start stretching it and pulling it apart and kneading it like you would pizza dough. So the more you knead and stretch and play with it, your slime should start to look like this. All right, for our next type of slime, we're going to be using clear glue. And we're going to use some baking soda, some contact lens solution. These will actually be the activator that makes the glue clump and form slime. We're also going to add in a drop or two of a flavoring for a scented slime. I have coconut extract. You could do peppermint or vanilla or almond, and a little glitter and some food coloring. Let's get started. We're going to use our measuring cup, half a cup of the clear glue, in the bowl. And then we'll add a drop or two of green food coloring. Maybe I'll add a drop of blue as well to make a pretty turquoise to match our glitter. This one's pretty. So now I'm going to add a tiny quarter of a teaspoon or even less of coconut extract, just to give it a little scent to our slime. The next ingredient will be baking soda. I'm going to pour it out in a cup and measure 1 teaspoon. You want to stir that around so it's all evenly incorporated. Now we're going to add in our contact lens solution. Again, adding a small amount at a time. So I'm going to do half of a quarter of a cup. Just a little bit at a time to see. I can always add more later.
The green ones.
So as you can tell, as soon as the contact lens solution is added in, the glue and baking soda mixture begins to clump together and turn into slime. I'm going to add a little glitter . Again, this slime you're going to want to knead with your hands, pull it apart, stretch it, and it's a little bit different consistency and texture, but still fun to play with. 3, 2. So the pink fluffy slime came out great. It's really soft and pliable, and it's fun to knead, squish, fold. You can make it into shape, maybe do like a heart shape. You can make your initials, whatever you want. The green turquoise clear glue slime is rubbery, and you can form it in a ball, and it's pretty bouncy. It's kind of like the super bouncy balls you get in the gumball machine.